Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. Look what showed up. What's in the box? What's in the box? I'll show you what's in the box. Okay. Well, I hope everything is in here. I got it in gift packaging. That way, you know, it just wasn't, they would have just left it like this, they said. Okay. So, get a key out here. Of course, I don't have, for one day I don't have my knife, right? Good. Key to get in here or something. There we go. Jesus, holy fucking tape, Batman. Okay. All right, here we go. Unboxing. You hear that angel music playing? I do. Let's take a look at this. Here's the pipe. All right. So it goes a little something like this. Okay. So you can see that it kind of just goes right here like that, and that's sweet. And here's the fake carbon fiber tip. This over there. That's a big pipe. Hang on. What's in here? Hello. Hey, that's pretty cool. Not much going on in there. You got the baffle and the silencer and all that. So yeah, kind of look like this, you know. It's kind of bolts up kind of in this area. There's a bracket. That's this one here. A lot of people were saying make sure you put the assemble this onto the pipe first. Otherwise, you're going to fight with the springs. So, all right, guys, just a quick little video, and we'll probably be installing this weekend. So, I will talk to you, everybody. Easy.